Hi guys, this is my CVS haul. I went in and I bought two of the CoverGirl mascaras. These here are $8.29 each. There's my receipt. I bought two of them. I used a 3 off of 12 CRT. And there it is, 3 off of 12. Then I used two $2 coupons on the mascara. Okay, so after that, I got back 8, and I transferred it to another transaction. And I also got the Crest Scope. They are $4.79 each. When you buy one, you get back $3. I had a $1 off coupon, and I also have a $1 off 6 mouthwash. So it took a $1 off and two $1 coupons for each of the Scope. When you buy one, you get $3. I got 6. So here is my transaction. I used a $1 off coupon and a $1 off coupon and a $2 coupon on the CoverGirl, and 3 off of 12, a $1.50 off of Select Cosmetics, which is a Lotacard, a $1 off mouthwash, and an 8 ECB and a 4 ECB, and $2.66 on Beauty Bucks. I paid 0 out of pocket. I got back 8 and I got back 6. So I had an 8, 4, and a 3, which was lower down. So that's $15, and I got back 8 and 6, which was totally free. Then the next transaction, I bought two of the Indicator toothbrush. This is a 2-pack. They are let's see, $5.29 each. When you buy one, you get $4, and there's 8. And then I did the Kotex. They buy one get one half off. The first one was $6.49, and wow. Actually, the 2 for $8, okay? I had used a 4 off coupon. Then I used 2 off feminine, so that was $6 off. And then I got back 2, which made them free. And the Indicator toothbrush were $5.29. I used 2 off of 2 plus a $1 off each one. You can see right there, I paid 58 cents out of pocket. I used $8 ECB going into it. Got back my 8 and 2, so it was a $2 money maker. And this is my CVS haul. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.